Hi everyone, this is Latukata here. Um, this is my presentation for my website. Here's my website. It's www.281integrity.com. Here's my home page in here. That's my home page in here. I put all the general links to in here. These links, if you click in here, it will directing you to the sport clothes and stuff like that. So every link in here, like dresses for women, you can click in here. It will direct you to Amazon site, and you can choose from here whatever kind of style or dresses that you would like to choose from. And also I have here to contact us. You can fill up your name in here and submit your email and submit it to me if you have any concern and anything. And here's my phone number and my email for my business. And also that's all my social medias in here. I can check Facebook for you guys because I don't want to um, keep you guys away waiting for my social media to load. But I created this page for only for my business purpose, and you can see it just started in here. I think I have a few followers in here. Not much, but it's good to start in this one. And also I have a different pages. In Weebly they don't offer a drop down list like in these pages. Like I can be able to use one page, like you can click and there's a list in here like shows shop for men or shop for women, but I couldn't get any links, so that's why I put two pages in here, like shop for women and shop for men. So we can go to shop for men, for women. I still need to work on this. I still trying to develop my website. Like I still need to work on the backlinks, like what my planning from the assignment last week. So I will be working this week for my website. So you can choose whatever you like in here. So if you click in here, it will directing you to Amazon page, and you can choose whatever color or size or whatever you would like to buy in here, and you can see the price here as well. So we can so that's all the women's clothes in here, and also the yoga and outfit. I'm still working on it, so next week I will working on outfit like for yoga or workout, and also business clothes for men. And this is the site page for men, and you can see there's different brands in here. So here's my all the products that I listed from Amazon. So if you like to add here, you can click here and directing you to the website Amazon. in here. But so there's different kinds of products in here, and you can choose whatever you want. Like in here you can choose um like if you like wearing hoodie and all these things. So, and you still have to go on my social medias, and here's my contact details at the bottom. And and this one about this page, it's all about me. I'm still need to work on this page, and here's a little bit blog about myself, and that's me in here. And contact number, you can also contact me in here, fill up your name and your email. So my blog, I don't really have time to go on my blog, but here's my page for my blog. I will write some blog soon. I think that's all for now. The only thing that I need to work on it is trying to focus on and put my my clothes in a different section, and name them. Like this one, it's only for business or casual or outfit, or like what I did for men. Like I list the brands like Dickies brands and I Adidas and also the Under Armour's brands, so to make it easier for everyone to come and visit. But too bad because I don't have any drop down list to make it easier for everything. Anyway, thank you.